Only $9.99 for all of this food? Let's take you through our famous SSS box deal. We start off with a succulent chicken fillet burger, or if you're feeling vegan, you can also try one of our famous quarter pounders. You also get not one, not two, not three, but 4 barbecue wings. And not to forget 4 of our classic SSS fried spicy wings. Now this is where it gets interesting. You can either have 4 cheesy mozzarella dippers, or you have an option to choose the battered onion rings. And yes, who does not like peri-peri dust all over their fries? Finally, finishing it with a canned drink. Shout out to Major Foods and Ice for giving us the supplies and hooking us up. $9.99 guys.